Hello, and welcome to IRMS 6th grade science online lessons with Mr. V and Miss Carr. Welcome, future scientist. As we get ready to navigate through these times, we want you to know that we are here for you, and if you need anything, send us a message. You can click on the links below. All science lessons will be available to you via Google Classroom. Miss Carr and Mr. V will be available to give you help and guidance on Tuesdays. You will have the entire week to complete one or two of the activities in this unit. You will get to choose which one or ones. You are also welcome to accept other challenges if you have the time for it. We are trying to keep you engaged, and we promise not to overwhelm you. Most importantly, we want you to have fun with it. Today's 6 science announcements. Check your email daily. Go to my.yisd.net and click the Outlook mailbox. Breakfast and lunch to go will be provided at Hanks High School from 7:30 a.m. to 11 a.m. Monday through Friday. The bad science joke of the week is, I'm reading a great book on anti-gravity. I just can't put it down. Week 1, April 6th through April 10th. The inner planets of the solar system. Although we covered the inner planets before the break, it is a good idea to review this concept, since it has been a good 2 weeks since we last focused on it. For your bell ringer this week, on a piece of paper, write the names of the planets in order from nearest to the sun to the furthest. Spelling counts. Then, share your written list with us on Flipgrid. Click on the link below and follow the directions. Check back on the Flipgrid later to see how other students responded. The inner planets of the solar system. Your expectation, 6.11a, is to describe the physical properties, locations, and movements of the planets. As a class, we will explore the physical characteristics of the inner terrestrial planets. You will complete one or two of the inner planet-related activities of your choosing, and they are listed on the next page. On the following page, there will be extra challenges for you to tackle. Plus, there is a link to additional resources about the solar system for you. The inner planets of the solar system. Activity 1, 3-2-1 passage. Read the Inner Planets section of the Solar System passage that is included in this week's Google Classroom assignment. You may use the Cami extension to highlight important information if you'd like. You can click the link if you don't have the Cami extension. Feel free to do additional research on the inner planets for better info. Here is a link to Mr. V's YouTube Space channel. Then, use what you have learned about the inner planets to fill in a 3-2-1 assignment about them. Your copy of the 3-2-1 is also attached to this week's Google Classroom. Activity 2, Vintage Travel Poster. What if aliens from other systems wanted to vacation in our solar system? Now is not the best time for them to visit Earth, though. So, use your art smarts to create a travel poster for one of the other inner planets. If you don't know what a travel poster looks like, click the link. You may draw it or make a digital product. Make it colorful, but most importantly, your poster must persuade the alien visitors to visit the planet you chose. Your poster must list 3 factual reasons why they should vacation there. When you are done, take a snapshot of your poster, upload it, and turn it in. Activity 3, Alphabet Book. Use your language skills to complete this activity. Using Slideshow, create an ABC book about the solar system. Just do the first half of the alphabet from A to M, since the other half will be for the outer planets next week. Each page will be for a different letter. For example, the first page might say A is for asteroid. An asteroid is a minor object that orbits the Sun between Mars and Jupiter's orbits. Each page should also have a drawing/illustration to go along with it. Your book has to be focused on the solar system. Make sure you have a title slide as your book cover with your name on it. You may add an About the Author page too. Activity 4. Planet Model. Use your artistic skills to make a model of one of the inner planets. Use whatever materials, and get creative, that are available to you. Included are 2 recipes for homemade Play-Doh. The more realistic, the better. There is an easy Play-Doh recipe, and there is a better Play-Doh recipe. Now, the easier one requires less ingredients. The better recipe does require more ingredients, and it does need to be cooked. Feel free to do additional research on the inner planets for better info. Here's a link to Mr. V's YouTube Space channel. When you are done, take a snapshot of your model and upload it and turn it in. All the work is due this Friday at 5 p.m. If you need any help whatsoever, please email your science teacher. Remember that we are also available on Tuesdays to give you more guidance. You should have received a master schedule. Check your schedule to see when we are best available for you. So here are some extra challenges if you get bored. Challenges 2 and 3 can substitute any of the activities on the other page. So challenge 1 is Starchitect. This website allows you to create your own star system. There are plenty of mini games and activities to keep you busy too. The site does require to sign up for a free account, but if you click on the link below, you will find a video that will walk you through that process. Challenge 2, Solar System Weight. Have you wondered how much you would weigh on different planets? Grab your calculator and get ready to do a little math. Don't know how much you weigh? You can use Mr. V's weight. It's in the assignment. Then do some additional research to find everyday objects that weigh the same as you or me for the second part of the investigation. The link to the assignment is in Google Classroom. Challenge 3. Be a superstar. Take your favorite song and rework it so that you can show the world what you have learned about the solar system. You can usually find instrumental versions of most songs on YouTube. Then you can click on this Flipgrid link to record your new tune. Make it lit, fire, or whatever you kids are saying now. You also have additional resources or websites available for you to use. Good luck! Hopefully we'll see you soon.